G'day, it's Christine here from Chris W Designs, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to the Edgy Essence Wallet. So the Edgy Essence Wallet, this is made from a raw edged material such as cork, leather or vinyl. That makes it very quick to make. Super easy, especially if you use a cutting machine. I use the scan and cut cutting machines, and that makes the job super easy, but a lot of my testers cut by hand, so you can do that too. You do not have to have a cutting machine. SVG files are provided though, in case you do. It has 9 card slots, 6 at the front here and 3 over here at the top section. We also have an ID window. We have 2 main compartments, and we have a coin pocket here for all your little coins or bits and pieces. If you have notes, you can slip them under this slip pocket that's under here, or receipts or whatever you want to put under there. It closes with a snap. Woohoo! I've made this one from another cork. This is a directional cork. The wallet's probably better off made with a non-directional cork, but you can use directional cork if you wish. That's what I have done. I've put it that way, up and down, or side to side, as you can see there. Because the exterior is all in one piece, that's why it's usually a good idea to use a non-directional, but it doesn't matter, that's up to you. And I have edge coated this. Edge coating gives it a super professional finish. And there's the inside of this one. And for this one over here, I have used faux leather. I've also edge coated the edge of that, and I really like this one. Well, I like them all actually, but I like this one probably the best, and I'll probably end up using this one. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll choose this one. Or maybe this one. But I think I might edge coat this one yet, because I do prefer them when they're edge coated, but that's entirely up to you, and it's optional whether you want to do that or not. So as usual, I could not do this job without my awesome testers and proofreaders. They have helped me hone in on what I consider to be near perfection in my pattern. So I owe them a great big huge thank you, and I'd like to share their photos with you now. So let's take a look at all the tester photos. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed looking at those tester photos and got lots of inspiration from those. This is a quick wallet to make. It's a fun wallet to make and whips up quickly. So what are you waiting for? Pop over to www.chriswdesigns.com or www.chriswdesigns.com.au, and I have popped direct links in the description below. But I hope you will check out my other patterns while you are there. I have other wallets, other bags, all sorts of things worth checking out. Please subscribe to my newsletter and click on that bell to be notified of any new releases as I add them. Not sure? Why not watch the tutorial video and see how easy it is to make this? Then you can pop over and grab the pattern once you've done that. So what are you waiting for? Let's get sewing! The Edgy Essence Wallet. Catch you later!